Nawala ka na kami nasa ako. Mas Marvin! Wait! Ayoko na sa'yo! Ako sige, laklak mo! Ka ng para! May sasagot ako. Ka naman, ayoko na sa'yo. Wala ko naintindihan. Laklak mo! Ka ng para!
Yun lang naintindihan.
Ayoko na. Ay, just my family.
Sam, kanila Bebs yan.
Uy, malamig na naman.
Kanila Bebs yan.
Alam mo na ako eh. Nakakot ako. Hindi mo kasi alam ko sulong. Ikaw ah. Sakit ako sa likod.
You don't have to worry, 'cause it ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there was no need to wait. When they're closing all their doors, they don't want you anymore. It sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Girl, I stay true to bad times, even if I have to fetch you every day. I'll get by with a smile. We'll never be too happy in this life. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's the ones that love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down, but turn your face into a frown. Get along with a little prayer in this song. Let me hear you singing.
Ay, nagpipidyo ka ba? Mahuli ako ng coach ka ba?
In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a one